Go ahead.
I'm Steven from Bearwood Supply, live from the Iowa Scrolling Show. We've asked two random scroll sawyers from in the audience to show us a comparison to demonstrate the decrease in vibration that you get from the new Pegas Chuck Heads. We have water, equal amounts. We have two identical Excalibur saws, two identical twins sitting at the scroll saws. We have the same type of blade. The only difference on these saws is the Pegas Chuck Heads. So we're going to turn these on, and they're fully wide open. And we're going to see the difference in vibration. I have to say closer to that one. Go.
I didn't even use it.
I didn't even have to last long.
But the blade was moving.
Yeah, wide open.
Don't try again.
I don't think I'll get to cut it.
I don't think you'll get to cut it.
You got the easiest cut. Should see how long you can cut.
Turn this off.
There we have it. You care to do it again?
He's not even going to get, we tried.
Let's see how far down the road.
Go look.
Start jumping.
All level. The only difference is chuck head. They got the same blade, same everything. And that shows it all in itself, the amount of difference. That glass will stay on there.
Yeah.
And this one, $1.
3/4 speed.
Got it?
Yep. That's at 3/4.
Yep. No, you got it?
Yep.
It just literally leaves. I mean, the only difference is the chuck head. It is. And if it reduces it that much here, it reduces that much more in your hand.
On your hands and also your
Engine, your arms, your leggings.
Yep.
Thanks for bringing it.
Pleasure. Thank you.